Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Ellisoft. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I go about cleaning and whitening teeth. In my last video, I tackled the eyes, so I thought, I should do a video showing how I do the teeth. So let's get started. So here's a portrait of I took back in the day. Now we want to kind of like, if I zoom in, we can see there's just a little bit of yellow. These are fairly white, but we want to make them like perfect white, like pearly white. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to go and I'm going to create a channel mixer layer. I am going to make it monochrome, and I'm going to brighten up the reds to just a bit, then brighten up the greens where it's looking really bright, and brighten up the blues. Okay, that's way too bright. You know what? I'm going to pull down the reds. Let me pull it down. I'm using the teeth as a guide, so let me pull it down. Let me make it, you know, that should be okay. I'm just gonna brighten this up a bit. Yes. All right, that's fairly okay. And then now I'm gonna change this blend mode to screen. And if you look at that, it's whitening up the teeth. Now to tackle a bit of that yellow, I'm gonna use a hue and saturation layer. I'm going to go into the yellow channel. I'm going to go into the yellows, and I'm just going to shift the hue a bit towards the right, just a bit, and I'm going to desaturate it. I want to pull out that yellow, so I'm going to desaturate it. I'm not going to go to 0 because when you desaturate it, that's just going to look unnatural. And I'm going to lighten them up a bit. Maybe a bit more. Alright, and if I turn that before and after, you can see the yellow is gone. So all I have to do now is I'm going to take these two and put them in their own layer. I'm going to call this Clean Teeth. Alright, and I'm going to add a black mask. Now, all I have to do now is just take my brush with a low flow and simply paint on the teeth. And if I zoom out, let's see our before, after, before, after, before, after. I'm zooming a bit close so you guys can see. And that's our before, after. We've just kind of brightened and cleaned it. Let's try it on another image. Now, I've already gone ahead and created an action of this, so you don't have to go through all the steps. I'm going to put a link to my action down below. I call it Clean Teeth. I'm just going to click that. And if you go in there, you can see I have those two layers in there. So I can just go in and paint it on the teeth. And it just gives it just a very slight boost. Make it completely pearly white. And if I go before, after, before, after. So that's just it. So if you guys want this action, I'm going to put a link to it down below. If you haven't checked my previous video, that one I showed how I go about retouching eyes. I also put an action in that video, so you guys can go check them out. So hope this video was helpful. If you guys liked it, please give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.